Limit is 15 miles per hour. 15, same speed or trams go at their fastest speed, 15 miles per hour. To exit the parking lot, pay attention to the white painted arrows in your road. They'll help direct you to our one and only exit. And if you come across any car problems as you're trying to leave tonight, like your car won't start, you lock the keys in the car, or the most popular one, you just can't find your car. Go ahead and walk up to the colored poles that we dropped you off at and wave down the nearest cast member. Or if you do see a white SUV driving around with yellow and green lights on top and a Disney logo on the side, like the one that's about to be on the driver's left side after we make the turn, that'll be our security cast. They could assist you as well. As I mentioned once or twice before, we'll have one stop tonight for Scar and Captain Hook. Surprising, I know, right? Scar and Captain Hook. As we come upon our one and only destination, we ask that all guests remain seated till the tram comes to a full and complete stop. When it comes time for you to disembark from the tram, Captain Hook will be to the driver's right and Scar to the driver's left. You're welcome to use either door on either side of the tram to exit. Once off the tram, we do ask that all guests quickly cross over to the other side of those orange safety poles. We can only guarantee you won't get hit up by a tram unless you're on the other side of those orange safety poles. This tram cannot move again unless you are on the other side of those orange safety poles. If you have a stroller with you, we ask that you try not to open it till you've crossed to the other side of those orange safety poles. You getting with the theme yet, guys? Everyone on the other side of the orange safety poles. Alrighty, friends, we're coming upon our stop. Almost there, almost there. And we're here. Pull up on the handle, push out on the door, lower your head, watch your step, Captain Hook to the right, Star to the left, double check.